Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive.
Always ready to dig into something interesting.
Today, we're looking at something called VIP indicators.
Oh, yeah, I've heard that name thrown around.
It's a trading tool. And get this, they claim it can predict any market 24/7. Stocks, Forex, crypto, the whole shebang.
Hold on, predict any market. That's a pretty big claim.
I know, right? Sounds almost too good to be true, like something out of a trader's dream. But hey, that's why we're here. We've got some info on these VIP indicators, and we're going to break it down.
All right, let's see what they're all about. I'm always a bit skeptical of anything that promises to predict the market with certainty.
Me too, but let's hear them out. The first thing that jumps out is that they say this thing works on everything. Stocks, Forex, crypto, commodities, you name it.
Well, that's definitely a bold statement. Predicting markets is notoriously difficult, and no tool is perfect. But let's take a look at what they're proposing here. What's their secret sauce?
That's the thing, right? They talk about advanced algorithms, but they also say it's easy to use, even for beginners.
Ah, okay. That's where the real test lies, isn't it? Because a powerful tool is useless if it's too complex to understand. We need to figure out how these algorithms actually work and what kind of insights they provide.
Right, exactly. So they're talking about real-time alerts and signals. Like, imagine you're sitting there watching the market and suddenly, boom, VIP indicator sends you an alert.
Okay, real-time data is certainly crucial in trading, you're absolutely right. But the quality of the analysis behind those signals is key. Are these alerts based on solid reasoning, or are they just random noise? That's what we need to
And
determine.
how do they even generate those signals? Like, are we talking machine learning here? Is it analyzing market trends?
It's possible. I mean, machine learning could definitely play a role, identifying patterns in historical data, things like that. But maybe they're also doing sentiment analysis.
Sentiment analysis. You mean like reading the news and social media to gauge market feeling?
Exactly. That can be a powerful tool too, especially in today's world where news travels so fast. But again, it all comes down to how they filter and interpret that data.
So basically, VIP indicators is trying to be your personal market analyst, whispering in your ear 24/7. Sounds pretty tempting.
I can see the appeal, for sure. But let's say you get an alert about a stock, right? How does VIP indicators help you decide if it's a real opportunity or just a temporary blip? What kind of context do they provide with those signals?
That's a great question because you wouldn't want to jump on every little fluctuation, especially if you're a long-term investor.
Precisely. Long-term investors need to focus on the bigger picture. Constant real-time signals could actually be detrimental, tempting them to overreact to short-term noise.
But for day traders, those quick signals could be crucial, right?
Absolutely. For day traders, speed is everything. But even then, they need enough information to make a smart decision. Is the stock moving because of company-specific news, or is it part of a broader trend? That context is essential.
So we've talked about the potential benefits, but what about the downsides? What are the risks involved with relying on a tool like this?
Well, one obvious risk is over-reliance. Becoming so dependent on the tool that you lose sight of your own trading strategy and judgment.
Right, because no tool is perfect, and the market can always surprise you.
Exactly. And then there's the question of performance. What's their track record? How do these VIP indicators perform in different market conditions? Bull markets, bear markets, sideways markets.
Those are things people definitely need to look into before jumping in head first.
Absolutely. Look beyond the marketing and really dig into the specifics of their methodology and performance. Transparency is key.
So we've unpacked a lot here. VIP Indicators claims to be a game changer, providing 2047 market analysis and predictions. But can it really deliver on those promises?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? And it's something you need to investigate further. Don't just take their word for it. Do your own research.
Look beyond the hype, examine the evidence, and see if it aligns with your trading goals and risk tolerance.
And remember, no tool can replace your own knowledge and judgment. Use it wisely, and it can be a powerful asset.
Great advice. We've given you a starting point. Now it's up to you to explore further. Happy trading, everyone.